guys are doing well. So I'm back with another video, and this video is gonna be a little indifferent from the other tour or fun videos I make. So for a few days in Kolkata, especially, the scorching heat has been almost torturing us, if you say. So many schools and offices and all that offline ones has been closed for the time being due to the heat wave. Slowly it's reopening due to the less because the heat is slowly getting colder, and it's not the scorching heat that was 1 week or 2 weeks ago, I'd say. So due to the rain and all, the temperature is coming down a little bit. So coming to today's video, so basically that is the topic of today's video. Well, yesterday there was a little bit rain at night, so that also brought down the temperature a lot. And today also it is kind of rainy and gloomy and cloudy. Actually, one fact, I very much like the rainy season, but well, we could all say we like the rainy season, but when we have to go out, especially when going to work or school or any professional places like that, so rain is a very what to say, a treacherous thing, I don't know. So but when I go, so I get all wet. Sometimes my shoes get wet, so that is a thing I kind of hate. But sitting from home and sitting on the window pane and seeing the rain falling down, so yeah, that is kind of a good feeling. So that I like, but getting the mud all on me, that is not what I like. So due to today's weather and this rainy kind of weather, so I had a few clips collected of rainy weathers of Eco Park or even Rabindra Sarovar Lake. So I have posted, I'm posting these videos only in the sense that the rainy season and the rain we can see after all of these days of scorching heat. So hope you guys like the video. If you like, please share and subscribe. Like this was just a video in the occasion of this rainy weather we are having after all of these days. So normally I post tour videos or many science experiment videos, or any kind of fun videos, like going to the going to eat street food and all that stuff. So if you guys visit my channel, you will be able to know what I publish. If you are new to my channel, please do visit. Thank you for watching.